Hello, everyone. Let's take a look at the one trade I made in Crude today. It's September 7, 2022. It's a Wednesday. And the trade I took was actually in gold in a breakout of compression. So let's take a look at it. Before that, let me remind you that during this week and up until tomorrow at midnight, there is a promotion on Apex. I really recommend you to take advantage of this. 80% discount is a good deal, and even though the rules are kind of tough to follow, think about this. If you're risking your own money, then probably you're going to lose. If you're not successful, then you're going to lose way more than what this value or cost of this thing would be. So so take advantage of that. The link is in the description of this video, and you can subscribe and enroll. The other thing is that I do have a Discord channel or a Discord server. You can join. Also, that one is in the description. The link is in the description of this video. And also, I do have a blog where I almost daily publish my ideas about the market. I'm not a financial advisor, so take care of, make your own decisions, take your own trades, and with time you would learn that you don't need to depend on anybody to tell you when to enter and where to enter, or what is the setup and what is the trigger. You have to take that responsibility. It's up to you to take it, and you have to learn how to recognize the patterns. Okay, so make sure to do that, and do some comments in this video. Remember to like it and also subscribe if you want to be alerted on this. So let's go ahead and review the trade today. So let me see if I'm in Crude. Yes, and yes. So you see that in the anchor chart, which is this one I have in the upper left corner, the market was kind of sideways in the pre-market. So you see that it was coming down, but here, let me mark it right there. So let me mark it. It was coming this way. Then there was a compression area right there and broke and did a reversal right here. So went all the way there and then came back to the mid. And I marked this area here. I marked this area here as my pre-market range. Then it came back down and exploded to the downside. So that is the anchor chart. In the 30 minutes chart, let me expand this one. Let me expand this one a little bit so you can see it better. Here is where that market broke, right? So at about market open at 9, so about this time the market started to go down all the way here. So clearly it was breaking or aligning on the moving averages, that one, and that one. The moving averages were all aligned to the downside, and surely enough came back down to the green area. Okay, so very good prediction on this these Fibonacci channels. Let's see, you have that one, you have let me mark it as well. So you have here the zero level, which is that one there, and then I have 100, 200, and 300, and then here you have minus 100 and minus 200. So it went all the way to the minus 200 and it then started to bounce back. Okay, so now it's coming back down again in the last 30 minutes, but it tried to make an attempt to move to the upside. And you know, at this point, you can see that this one is bearish. It's in the oversold area, so probably it's going to reverse a little bit, trying to look for this 86 level. I believe this one would make sense because this is like a magnet. This is it's going to attract this price to go all the way up. Okay, that's my thought on that one. So let's review the setup and the trade. So you saw that the market was pointing down, or crude was pointing down. And then there was here, there was a market pre-market. The crude broke to the downside right here. It make one attempt to go higher in this area, another attempt, and it failed. Then you have a higher, a lower high, and then here it broke to the downside. This one was about 7 a.m. and then came back down, make a 1 week out of the moving average. In this case, is the 50 moving average right there, and then that one there actually, which is this moving average. Okay, so then came back down, make another week out of the 18 in this time, which is this one down below, and then came back down and started to, you know, not moving that much faster, 8:30 a.m. So I wait until the market opened, and then at that point I saw this compression. It's a compression that happens it started in this area here and came back down. I'm gonna put it in pause. I have something to do, so give me 1 second. I'm going to come back soon. Okay, so I'm back. Yes, I was saying that I did have a compression break right here. Let me go there again. This is the compression break, and I was looking at this lower low right here. Market started to go or came back down, then up, down, form a double bottom right here, and then came back up and down again. And this is after market opened. And then in this area here, I took the trade right one tick below the lower high right here, the lower low right here. So market surely enough broke, and here is my first target for $200. And then the market continued moving down and then made the reverse right above this oversold initial area, the 100% down. So this distance here is the same as this distance here, and this is where it found some resistance. Also notice that we are at S2, so there's a support here that predictably the market was going to bounce. And then surely enough, I was stopped out there for $1,400 on the runner. So total was $1,600. And you know what? Market is not moving the way I like it. There's no definite direction. It's kind of consolidating. So I'm not going to make any more trades today. I'm going to leave it at 1,600, which is probably safe and without exposing myself to any more risk. Now, crude seems to be bouncing around this green area on the oversold. So you know, there are some good trades here, but most of them are reversal. Already the market move a good size to the downside, from here to there. So that one is a big move. And I believe that now it's in this area of consolidation. Okay, so that's the trade. Thank you so much for watching.